especially if they're too round, they don't taste very good.
Yeah, and you're like, smell like weed. And I just think it's kind of open your body, feel like somebody. Some of your dramas today all beautiful martyrs, licking their angel figurines clean. Firework stars, popping their cans to simplicity. And I wonder who I wanna see most like. I just can't remember why I took the chance.
Good morning. So I am currently going to the car place because I am getting an Apple CarPlay installed, which I'm so excited about, and I have to go because I'm driving. They're blasting music at the Starbucks right now. I'm reading my book and waiting for my car to be done. It's gonna take a couple hours, but just trying to enjoy reading my book, drinking my coffee. Super fun day so far. So a couple of things. Last time you saw me, I was waiting at Starbucks for my car to be finished. Long story short, the stereo in my car is just really dated and I can't use the map system, and every time I call certain people it like disconnects, and honestly it's just a bit of a driving hazard, like to look at my phone way more often than I would like to, like with the map system and stuff. So I called Mazda and I'm like, hey, can I get Apple CarPlay installed? Because my whole family has Apple CarPlay and it's like the best thing ever. And they're like, yeah, bring it in. I waited for 2 hours for them to call and tell me, hey, so it's not compatible with your car. And I'm like, oh my god. And then they wanted me to do all these other things and pay them $3,000, and I'm like, any of these things gonna prevent me from driving? And they're like, no. And I was like, okay. So I wasted 2 hours of my morning just sitting there. I did read my book. I'm reading Conversations with Friends. It's been a really hard one for me to get into, but I'm getting through it eventually because I really want to watch the show. But I got gas, went to Trader Joe's, which I saw this guy. It's like this Italian chef on TikTok, and I love him, and he's dating this really cute, like trendy lady. They're like an older couple, but they're so cute, and I saw him outside of Trader Joe's and people were talking to him, and I was like, but I'm running errands today. I nanny at 2:30. That's been a big new thing this week. Started nannying and it is so fun, and I have the sweetest kids ever. I love them. And yeah, so I pick them up from school like at 2:30 every day and just hang out with them for a little bit. So that is what I'm doing for the next like month and a half. I'm going to give my car a car wash now because even though she failed me today, I'm still gonna treat her nicely. And I haven't washed it since I did the drive from Portland, so she is filthy, and I feel like having a clean car like makes me feel more like collected as a human. So I'm at one of the self-wash stations, and I don't know if this is weird of me, but I've never been to one of these because I just go through like a drive-through wash or wash it at home. I'm gonna do this now. Also, I've got car seats in the back. Look, I'm literally like a full-blown mom. It's so fun. So yeah, I'm sweating. Also I have my cute little Amazon tennis dress on. 30 bucks. Please go get it. It is literally the best thing I've ever bought. Buy it in every color. It's just so practical. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my car now. I hope you enjoy the footage if I get anything of me washing my car. Oh my god. Okay, wait, that is like the most fun activity to do. I highly recommend going to a self car wash. That was so fun, okay? That was like a whole activity. I'm definitely gonna do that again. my apartment building has an app for the washer. So nice. I literally feel like a mom today, and I have to go pick up my kids from school and the whole thing. I'm literally a mom here. So I'm home now. You saw me just do laundry. I unpacked my groceries, and now I'm going to meal prep some fried rice because I feel like it's just an easy thing to have. So I'm going to show you, this lighting is horrible. I'm going to show you how I do my fried rice. So I have the wok here, and first thing I'm going to start with, also I'm heating up an egg which thing in there. So first I'm just going to take a lot of olive oil, and I'm going to chop up some garlic. And usually I do garlic and onion and like the carrot together, but I don't have any onion, so I'm just going to be using onion powder. Fried rice is like, use whatever you have in your fridge, and I also recommend using takeout rice, but I only have this, so I'm going to be using the 2 bags of the frozen jasmine rice because it's fine. With like the alien songs that sounds in the background. What is it? Oh my god. Baby. It is nanny time. I have to go pick up my kiddo from preschool. I love seeing her. She knows me now and she gives me a big hug. I'm in mom mode right now. I love picking up my kids from school. It makes my heart so happy. Hi guys. Okay, so I got some sun today. I was sitting up on the rooftop and was fine, but then my little girl that I nanny wanted to go to the pool, which is crazy. They have the most beautiful house and a pool, which is really cool. I didn't bring a swimsuit, so I just had to like wade in the water and like make sure she doesn't like drown and like keep pulling her back. She had floaties on, of course, but I think I'm just gonna keep this little tennis dress on. I feel like maybe I could like throw some sneakers on. I feel like after I leave nannying, I'm like delusional. Wait, what was I saying? Okay, I'm home. I put a little bit of makeup on. We're going to a Korean barbecue with my roommate, some friends. Hi, good morning. It is Friday, I think. Friday. Yes, I woke up early because it was hot in here and I just like couldn't sleep for some reason. But yeah, I'm repping my Dodgers. It's Dodgers game today, but let's go for a hot girl walk. It's gonna be a good night. Probably a lot of iPhone clips today, just preparing you. Can you even tell when it's iPhone? I mean, probably. Maybe I'll bring my camcorder out tonight. That would be kind of fun. Okay, so I just got back from my walk. It was so good. Sun and everything, it just wipes me out here. So I am gonna go. I just tried Celsius energy drinks for the first time the other day, and I'm not an energy drink person. There's this one flavor that I like, so I'm gonna try to go find it at Target. So let's go. I just feel like if I lay down, I'm just gonna be like, lol. So I need something to like wake me up. Also, I think my sunburn, I put aloe on it. It's doing better. Can you hear the Mamma Mia just blasting in the background? We're forcing our new guy friends to watch Mamma Mia because they've never seen it before, so. I'm going for Hailey Bieber off duty. We're going out on the town tonight. I'm gonna bring my camcorder out. Also, me and Gianna, who like, you know when you meet someone like your souls are the same? That's how it is with her. We just booked Disneyland. We're going to freaking Disneyland and I'm so excited. If you know me, you know like that is Cam's happy place. Just have been so happy lately. So happy, like just like, actually this might be a little TMI, but like I started going off my anxiety meds, which is a big deal. Yeah, I'm talking to my camera. Hi guys, I'm back. I just forgot I was filming for like solid few minutes. I'm gonna go, but I hope you enjoyed this little update. Oh!
He goes, can you turn it up? He loves this movie.
Who?
Kyle. Joey.
His name's Joey. Say hi.
Hi vlog. How do you do this? Hey guys, we're going to Disneyland in 2 Sundays.
That's what I was telling them.
Okay, finish telling them.
We're gonna be Disney adults. Why do we get weird?
I know.
I promise we're not weird. Cute picky food.
Leave a comment below with what we should wear.
Leave a comment as to what we should bound as.
What's the light inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying? You
guys, so I am going to end my weekly vlog here. I am doing like a full Sunday cleaning today, so my hands are like, you know when you're cleaning so much and your hands feel gross and dry? So I need to deal with that. Clean my bathroom. I still need to do a little bit more in my closet, and I'm cleaning my sheets because I have a busy week this week, and then this weekend I'm busy. Then the next week I'm going to Fresno for my family reunion. I just wanted to have a full reset day. I slept 12 hours last night. I needed it, and I'm feeling so much better and like myself. My energy bar was so low, so I needed to refill it. Filming a spring cleaning video for my TikTok and my Instagram reels, so you can go see it on there. I love watching like weekly reset videos and wanted to film one. It also, like, major respect to people who film these all the time, because I just forget about my camera and leave it filming, and then like having to edit that down is just gonna be a process. But please go check out my Instagram or TikTok. They're both just at Schalk if you would like to see those. I'm going to end my weekend vlog here. I honestly don't even know what I filmed. I think this was just like a crazy fun weekend, and I hope you enjoyed all the clips. I even filmed on my camcorder again, so I'll have to get stuff off this bad boy. Let me know if you like this. It kind of switches up the look of the videos. So I'm currently watching, it's on silent right now, I'm watching the Blazers Summer League. We're playing the Knicks and we are winning, and in its third quarter. Yeah, Blazers, please sponsor me. That is probably my dream company to work with, is like the Blazers, because I'm such a big fan, have been for so long, and just genuinely love watching basketball. So please sponsor me. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Goodbye.
I'll get it. Pronto. Hi.